demons call when they do what they do. And now I feel like taking off, find a place with a view. The pain is never gonna stop if it's controlling you. I know that time can heal it all, I just gotta get through. I just gotta get through, I just gotta get through. Cause I feel like taking off, find a place with a view. The pain is never gonna stop if it's controlling you. I know that time can heal it all, I just gotta get through. Sometimes I feel like all is lost, but I know it's not true. I wanna put up all my walls cause I'm not in the mood, but then I cut myself off from the rest of the room. I know that time can heal it all if you're patient and soon. It can all be worth it, all the searching. Pain is never really permanent, but damn it hurts, man. I could feel all of the turbulence and it's concerning. I've been searching for a purpose, I hope it's worth it. This society is really trying me. Ain't no hide and seek, I hide to be far from anxiety. I need my space, I need my privacy. I need some silence, please, you're all too loud. You don't speak quietly, opinions violently thrown across every surface. It makes me nervous, it's the world honestly burning. That's all I'm learning, hope that we can make a turn and start reversing. All our minds, we put the work in, we got some work, man. I started to go. I can hear the demons call when they do what they do. And now I feel like taking off, find a place with a view. The pain is never gonna stop if it's controlling you. I know that time can heal it all, I just gotta get through. I just gotta get through, I just gotta get through. Cause I feel like taking off, find a place with a view. The pain is never gonna stop if it's controlling you. I know that time can heal it all, I just gotta get through. I just gotta get through. Gotta get through this, life is a nuisance, tie up some loose ends. I try to be human, find a solution, my evolution. A place like this, it didn't exist, we made it like this. So you can go pick the bad or the good, got a glass halfway. I know, it's easier to hide than just to lay low. Not everyone in life has got a halo. I'm standing in the red inside a payphone, just wanna break, no. I'm not gonna give in, take a last shot, Michael J. Win. No, I'm not a robot, I'm in my own skin. Never get lost when thoughts pull you in. I miss the old you, we died with a purpose. All the energy around me felt nervous, scared I would pop off fast to the surface. Had to cut it off before you made me worthless. Torn apart, I've been torn and scarred. I had a given art, but now I'm thinking smart. I'm keeping up my guard, I'm hiding every card. A royal flush of love, you never know what's hard. With a back to the mat, gonna see where I'm at. I'ma fight like I'm mad, I'ma be something that they can never be me. Nice try, but they'll see I achieve everything while they stay salty. I started to go. I can hear the demons call when they do what they do. And now I feel like taking off, find a place with a view. The pain is never gonna stop if it's controlling you. I know that time can heal it all, I just gotta get through. I just gotta get through, I just gotta get through. Cause I feel like taking off, find a place with a view. The pain is never gonna stop if it's controlling you. I know that time can heal it all.
Gumbas, how's everybody doing? Mike Mangano, the one and only sauce fella, coming at you in one of my videos. I got a date tonight, so I'm headed out to pick her up. And, you know, we're going to go out and do our thing, you know. I just wanted to thank all of my Goombas so much. So much going on. So much going on. The Goombas brand is expanding. And it's expanding quite nicely. Of course, you know, I can't put everything out on Facebook that I'm up to, but we are expanding very, very, very nicely. Very nicely. Yep. I've been on the phone. I've been, you know, having conversations. I've been doing a lot of things behind the scenes, you know. We're talking about an expansion of in the neighborhood of about 1,400 stores. Let me say that again. A very good possibility up to and including about 1,400 stores. So, my Goombas are awesome because, you see, you really been making this happen for all of us. And for the sauce fella, because why? Why? You know why? Because my Gumbas supporters are continuing to request. And if you request, the sauce fella takes care of the rest. That's right. Because at the end of the day, it's what's in the jar. In the jar is what matters. And Gumbas is second to none. All natural, gluten-free, extra virgin olive oil. The flavor is like bada bing, bada boom. Yeah. And the versatility is through the roof. Through the roof. I want to thank all of my supporters personally for continuing to request the Gumbas brand. We're going to take this brand as far as we can, and really what it comes down to is as far as you want to take it. As far as you want to take it. I got a crap ton of states on the hook that we're going to be expanding into. But right now I got to keep it like, you understand? I got some strategies here. So, you know, you keep on requesting the Gumbas brand, my Gumbas, and you're going to see it popping up in your favorite retail and or grocery chain. And by the way, I don't limit the Gumbas brand just to grocery stores either. Oh, no. Nope. I think outside of the box these days. It ain't just grocery stores. It's a lot of other retail locations as well. So, keep doing what you're doing, my Gumbas. Keep doing what you're doing. Oh, yeah, and I got a nice surprise. I got a nicer, bigger surprise coming next month. That's right. I was given the go-ahead. So next month, I got a nice little big surprise for my Gumbas. We're going to fire it up in a good way. In a positive way. In a positive way. Come on. There you go. Make the turn. Make the turn. Put your turn signal on and get out of the way. Man, if it's anything that annoys me, you know, you're like behind somebody, and not only do they turn their turn signal on late, they take forever to get the heck out of the way. Boy, does that annoy me. Anyway, back to business here. Back to business. So, my Gumbas are the best. My Gumbas are the best. My Gumbas rock. Unlike any other supporters out there, I love your loyalty and your support to the Gumbas brand. An American-made small business. Thank you. And by the way, the Gumbas brand is becoming bigger than it ever was before. Bigger than it ever was before. And you know who the credit goes to? My Gumbas. That's right. And I'm going to celebrate right now with a piece of Genoa salami. Oh, so good. So good. Man, this sun is bright. Holy crap. Who's got the best Gumbas? The sauce fella. Who's got the best supporters? The sauce fella. The Gumbas army It's a force to be reckoned with. Because at the end of the day, the Goomba's consumer is all that matters. And nobody else. Nobody else. This is an awesome ride that all of us are on. And if you haven't heard it for a little while, because I'm so freaking busy these days, you're hearing it from me. I love all my Goombas. I love all my Goomba consumer supporters. I love all the grocery stores and the retail locations that have stood by me and that have stood by the Goomba's brand. Thank you, thank you, thank you. You are all awesome. That's right. Yeah. Let me have a piece of gabagool. Capicola. Who's got the best Goombas? Huh? Who's got the best Goombas? Who's got the best supporters? I do. The sauce fella does. My supporters, my Goombas, my friends, my supporters are the best. The best. And there ain't no stopping us either. There ain't no stopping us. No stopping. No one does it better. Remember that movie? Was it Breaking? There's no stopping us. No stopping. No one does it better. Anyway, I'm going to let you go, but I just want to tell you, because, you know, seems to me, I don't hear any other business owners saying it. I love my Goombas. I love my supporters. And I can't wait to see what the near future holds. And I got a lot of ideas. Oh, I got a lot of ideas. We're going to have fun. We're going to have fun. You better believe it. You better believe it, my Goombas. We are going to have fun. That's right. Well, thanks again, my Goombas. Let's get back to some Dave Bray. I gotta go meet my girl.
Always take what I want and I always give it 100. Don't need a bank, no I'm funded. Play the game like it's nothing. I'm always thankful for something. Don't take for granted, stay humble. Now wake up! It's time to look at the enemy. Look in the mirror if he is no friend to me. It's not working out, maybe it's the chemistry. It's time to break up so I can make a better me. Better believe in your mind, cause it's everything. You can mold, shape, find almost anything. All it takes is some time and some clarity to find your identity. It's mind over everything. I'm immortal. When I feel like this, I'm immortal. When I feel like this, I'm immortal. When
going places, my Goombas. We're going places. I don't care what anybody says. Nobody is better than my Goombas. Nobody. And you want to know something? There is no brand owner out there that works harder than me. I'm hungry. I'm hungry. And I'm hungrier than I've ever been before. So those who are going to support the Gumbas brand, great. And for those who don't, not a problem. We're going to do it with or without them. That's right. But we got plenty of supporters. So it's not even an issue, and it's not even a problem. We're going to be messing some stuff up, believe us. Believe me. In closing with this video, if you don't believe, it's kind of like what The Rock said, right? He always talks about being the hardest worker in the room. All you gotta do, and I say this, is ask any grocery store owner or manager where my product is. There is nobody that works harder than me as the brand and recipe owner of the Gumbas brand. Nobody. As a matter of fact, I'll let you in on a little secret, kind of a little secret. Right now, the grocery stores, they're not allowing any samples to take place, because of the COVID. I already got a solution for that, and you're hearing it here first. I'm not going to say what I'm going to be doing yet, but when I unleash what it is that I'm going to be doing, I'm the first one to do it. You know why? Because I'm a worker, my Goombas. I'm a worker. And I'm not going to allow this COVID-19 to slow me down. Believe you me, when we talk about what it is that I'll be doing. You can't give samples out? Not a problem. I came up with something else. I'll let you know what it is when the time is right. Nobody outworks the sauce fella. Nobody. And nobody's got better supporters than my Goombas. And that's a fact. All right, my Goombas. I see you in the next video. Arrivederci.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes eyes fade to gray as you fade away. As you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Got a buildup of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby I have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side maybe we could be okay. Okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away. As you fade away. As you fade away. As you fade away.
Like nothing I felt, my mind overwhelms. I think that I'm broken, but I hope you can't help. I know I'm not perfect, but some days I feel far more worthless. Baby, you make me feel nervous. If I still have you, I have purpose. It's all worth it.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. I guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away. As you fade away. As you fade away. What's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray.
I wanted to touch base with everybody. Wanted to let you know that I am again alive and well. The GUMBAS brand is thriving. And it's going to continue to thrive because you got to understand the team that we have, you know? The Sauce Fella along with all of our Gumba supporters. We are going places. And there's no other brand or recipe owner that works as hard as me. I mean, I've seen them. I know. Matter of fact, there was a distributor or two that used to carry my product, and those brand owners were no match for what I do. That's another reason why they wanted to carry the GUMBAS brand, because my stuff moves. Because I got the best supporters in the whole world. And the GUMBAS brand is second to none. Second to none. Second to none. These other brand owners, they don't want none of this. They don't want none of this. No. Nope. We go head to head. Believe me when I tell you. I was in the grocery stores with them while they were promoting their product, and they were right down, a couple of feet down from me, and I would always move more units. Always. Because for me, this is not a game. This is not a game. This is what I do. And my supporters are the best. Let me say it again. My Goombas and my supporters are the best. All right, with that said, I'll see you in the next video. Arrivederci.